Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 8th of February. And first of all, national news. Rajya Sabha took up discussion on interim Union Budget 2024-25 and interim budget of UT of Jammu and Kashmir 2024-25. PM Modi replied to motion of thanks on President's address in Rajya Sabha. Microsoft to train over 2 million people in India in generative AI skills by 2025. Government to roll out satellite-based GPS toll collective system on national highways soon. Girl education is bringing about revolutionary changes, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankad said. Ongoing budget session of Parliament extended till 17th February. Time to limit length of oral arguments to combat judicial delays, CJI Chandrachud said. Uttarakhand became first state to clear Uniform Civil Code bill. Now, international news. IMF warned of Maldives' foreign debt crisis after China borrowing. Azerbaijan's president set to win re-election in a snap vote, riding on a victory in Karabakh. Saudi Arabia reiterated no diplomatic relations with Israel without independent Palestinian state. Sri Lanka debt restructuring made slow progress even with 1.6% growth rate in quarter 3 of 2023. US Congress urged to pass emergency aid for Ukraine, Israel, White House. Taiwan stopped new group trips to China amid tourism air route spat. Now some sports news. Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur congratulated Indian cricket team for entering Under 19 World Cup final. Paris Olympics chief Tony Stanguet said he faced legal probe over pay. Jasprit Bumrah shattered history books, climbs to number 1 spot in ICC Test rankings. Business related news. India to eclipse China by 2027 as biggest driver of global oil demand growth, IEA said. HDFC Bank raised $300 million via Madden Sustainable Finance Bond issue. Some banks facing UPI connectivity challenge NPCI. Parliament panel propose composite license for insurers, cut in GST rates. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder of 197 Communications, met Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. And that's all in news. Thank you.